I get to review for you today the Ulike Air 10. It is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. The packaging was so perfect, but I'm going to talk to you about why I got it and what I love about it. With waxing procedures, you typically have to let the hair grow out. So even when I was doing my at-home treatment, or if I had to go in somewhere, you had to let the hair grow out. You can only do that certain times of the year or on certain days, because depending on what you're wearing, and if you're wearing a swimsuit, like, you can't exactly let things grow out when you're in between waxes. And so that's what I hated about waxing, was having to let the hair grow, especially in my armpits, because I could never let it grow that long. This is what it comes with. So this is the actual laser itself. It's real heavy. It's fantastic. It plugs in right here. This is a flat bottom top, and so when you are using it, and I'm going to have a little video of how I've been using it, I notice a difference in 2 weeks. I'm not joking. I usually have to shave every day, and right now I'm shaving every third day before I notice the same. And again, it's only been a month, so I can't even wait, because the first month you're supposed to use it more often than you will have to later. And so it does decrease the amount that you have to use it, but it's really pretty quick. If I do my whole body, yeah, it takes around like 20-25 minutes to complete everything. But some areas of my body I don't have to do every other day or a few times a week. So it's great. When you plug it in, there are different settings on the side. And so the SHR setting is typically for like those really deep pores. And so I do it all around the Brazilian area and bikini. I do the SHR armpits are huge pores. And so anywhere that it's like really deep pores and really thick and coarse hair, that's where you want the SHR setting. It flashes quite a few times. And so it's really getting in at the pore level, the deep pore level. It does let you know, what I really love about this product is that as soon as you push it down on your skin, it lets you know the intensity of the hair follicles, and so how much it's catching. And so it won't flash you, it won't laser where it can't detect hair follicles. And so I just plugged it in across the room. It does come with a really long cord, so I do love that. Now, so you turn it on right here. This is how loud it is. You can see right here it says fast, and it's on right now. So if I was to click it over to SHR, it'd be right there, and it shows it all the way up, so it's at like the top setting. You press and hold the power button to turn it off, and that's it. This thing has ice cooling technology, and so it's really cold right now. So when you're holding it on your skin, there's a fan blowing, but also this feels like an ice cube. And so when you're using it down below, it's not heating up your skin, it's not zapping you to all ends, like it does not hurt. It's a really easy laser to use, and it's been super effective. I have already noticed a difference after a month, and so highly recommend this. If you want to be hairless, get this product. Link below. All right, so don't make fun of my white skin right now, but see this hair growth? It's like so funny. There's like nothing. Well, there's some right there, but I'm going to show you the other side. So I like clearly was not good going down this line, which is a little bit hard. And then over here where I was really good at going down, there's no hair. There's no hair growth, which is crazy. So this is harder because it's obviously like going over a bone. And then this is a lot easier to go down. And then, yeah, and then I get a little bit more hair over here, but it is so thin. I haven't shaved in like over a month, and it is so thin. I can hardly tell. I like pulled up my pants to just see, and I was like, oh, I do need to shave my legs. But it's like in spots where there's hair, and then there's spots where there's like no hair. So amazing. I can't wait to start using it again.